G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm cooking pork belly fried rice. Real quick, real easy, in less than 10 minutes. Now I'll be cooking this with only 2 items and I'll show you how it's done. What we need is some pre-marinated pork belly slices and some pre-packaged fried rice. If you do have pork belly slices that aren't marinated, I do recommend this particular brand. It is quite good. Alright, so these only need about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to high heat, and it's been about that long, so let's turn them over. Alright, give it a little bit longer. Alright, we'll just see what needs flipping and what doesn't. They're almost done. We'll move these thicker bits into the middle, skinnier bits on the outside. We'll just give it another minute. Now the packet does call for 7 minutes on each side, however, I think about 7 to 8 minutes total is what you want. I mean, these are pretty much cooked now, but I'm just going to give them a little bit longer after one more flip, just to get a bit more crispier on the outside. It's not really going to crisp up a great deal, so you just got to watch it doesn't burn it. Now for a little bonus right at the end, I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of honey on them, and use that sauce that I showed you before. I've got one that I've bought earlier, and there's just a little bit left, so I'm going to use that for the final touch. Let it soak up all that goodness. Alright, time to get them off. Turn the heat off. Now, keep your saucepan handy because you might use some of this to cover at the end, but for now I'm just going to take it off the heat and we'll start cutting them up. Alright, they're all cut up into bite-sized bits. So, let's get some rice in the microwave. Right, rice in. Now, this could probably serve 2 people, but I'm going to be a pig and have the whole thing. As you can see, the fried rice isn't actually too bad. It's got little bits of egg in it. It's, you know, peas. There might be some carrot or capsicum or something. Overall, it's not too bad. And it's quick, it's easy. Well, there you have it, folks. A quick and easy pork belly fried rice. Until next time, catch you later. See ya.